their website more intuitive and user-friendly. And now let's talk about JumpToken. JMPT aims to neutralize the gig economy by targeting currently and potential gig workers around the world, all while making the crypto market more approachable and easily accessible to all. Its advantages: no ICO IDO, liquidity from token utilization, long-term vision. JMPT has an exclusive strength of an inbuilt demand. Every partner of a JumpTask platform will have to obtain funds in JMPT to be able to offer the users their tasks and compensate them for timely completion. JumpToken has a component distribution of tokens, thanks to which investors can be satisfied, and also no burning or mining and no external funding. I think you already want to purchase this token now, and that's cool. The purchase is very easy. You just need to go to banking swap, connect a metamask wallet, and exchange your crypto for JMPT. Friends, there is a better way to spend your time. Complete tasks and earn money. Choose one of the task type and start. Already now you can download honeygain. Here you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Games will also be available soon. It's going to be fun. To get started with honeygain, you need to enable the JumpTask mode in honeygain. Create a crypto wallet, go back to app.jumptask.io and sign in. Add a jump token on your wallet, go back to the honeygain dashboard and complete setup. I think you can easily cope with this and start earning.